guys and dolls, Kiri Cats here, doing business as Beat by Kiri, bringing to you my favorite nude, pink nude drugstore lipsticks. So if you're a type of girl who loves nude lips or natural looking lips, then this is the video for you. If you aren't already, please subscribe, like the video, and share the video. I hope you enjoy it. Catch you on the next later. So on my lips, I have Revlon Super Lustrous Love That Pink lipstick. So this is really nice, moisturizing, and it does have that sheen effect to it. So I am loving this, although this is not part of the video, but this is what I actually have on. So I'm going to take that off so that I can show you the other shades that we will be getting into today. So I've just taken a cotton swab with some witch hazel and just gonna remove that without getting cotton in my mouth. So now that I have that lipstick removed off of my lips, I'm gonna actually start lining my lips with a brown lip liner. And brown lip liners for women who are my complexion, they really go good with nude and pink nude lipsticks, only because it gives you that gradual, that gradient type of look, and you don't want the color just sitting on top of your lips and not having that transition blend into it. So if you're my shade, even if you're not my shade, it's really good to line your lips because it keeps the lipstick or the lip product that you're putting on there and makes it stay there longer throughout the day without having to reapply. So I'm going to first start off with Maybelline's ColorSensational Touchable Taupe in the number 940. It looks like that. And it goes on super smooth and it's super, super moisturizing. And that is cute. Is really pretty, super natural. So next I'm going to try NYX's Maison. It looks like this. So this is definitely more of a warm brown cafe color. Go nice if you're doing a smoky eye look. I think all of these lipsticks actually go great with a smoky eye. This is super chic. Start with is L'Oreal's Color Riche Radical Rosewood in the number 987, and it looks like that. This not only looks amazing, it smells amazing. This definitely have warmer undertones, but this is a beautiful color. Like, this is really beautiful. I would play in my eyeshadow to match with it. This is really pretty. The next color I'm going to be showing you is Milani's Rose Femme, and it's in the number 42, and it looks like that. Again, another lipstick that not only looks amazing, it smells divine, which makes it that much more attractive. But this is pretty. This is a pretty pink nude. And again, I lined my lips with that brown lip liner, and it's super cute. I love it. This is NYX's Natural in the number MLS09. This is definitely more of a pinky pink type of nude. So if you love pinky pinks, then this would be the perfect lipstick for you. It's super soft, it glides on, and again, it's another moisturizing lipstick. and it looks really pretty. This is e.l.f.'s Liquid Matte Lipstick. So you can either put it on top of your creamy lipstick, to clean that up with my pencil, like that. I'm also loving e.l.f.'s Tinted Lip Oil, and this is in the shade Pink Kiss. You can either wear this alone or you can wear this on top of one of your lipsticks to give that extra oomph. And this is also pretty. Another tinted lip oil is e.l.f.'s Coral Kiss. And this has more of a orangey undertone. And again, you can either wear this alone or on top of a lipstick. And I love layering. I love wearing these on top of lipsticks because not only does it alter the color of the lipstick to the shade that I want it to be, but it also adds that extra layer of moisture where you're not constantly trying to reapply because it's very moisturizing as well. Lastly, what's not in the drugstore but what I picked up at Ricky's in NYC is Red Carpet Ready Wildflower, and this is also super cute. It's another pink, nude pink lipstick, and I'm gonna put this right on top of that tinted lip oil so you can see when you mix how it transforms the shade. I put it right in the center and blot it out. And that's it. That's really it. Now, if I wanted to go throughout my whole lips, I can, but I kind of like my lips a little dark on the outer edges and more light in the middle. So, but if you like it light all over, you can put it all over like that. So thank you. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe. Drop me a comment below. Drop me a comment below. A comment below. A comment below. See you on the next one. Later.